Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Vienna, Austria, and I'm at the National Library, the Vienna National Library. And guess where we're going to take you? The bathroom. Look, it's a bathroom. I know. So I have a kind of a little funny story. So I walked in here, and there was a guy standing there, no problem. I mean, it's the way it goes. It's a bathroom, and there's dual heads and a couple stand-ups and sit-downs and all that kind of stuff. But so I pulled up to the thing, and I started laughing, and then he started laughing too. And then we both started talking, and he was an American too, but it was kind of funny. But let me show you why. So it's just a regular bathroom. It's no big deal. Oh, hi there. How you doing? My name's Eric. Okay, never mind. That's not the problem. Don't drink the water because it's dirty water. Okay, never mind. But anyway, so I came and I stood at the toilet. There's just two of them. He was on one and I was on the other, and no big deal. But here's what you get greeted with. Do you see the fly? Can you see the little fly down there? There's one on each toilet, and so he said it's the sweet spot, so you don't get splattered on or splashed on. He says, pee on the fly, and we both just started laughing, and I'm sure we probably hit everything but the fly, but I just found it funny that they would put a fly inside the toilet that you could hit. Anyway, so that's the sweet spot, the fly. So, rule of thumb, be on the fly. That's it, everybody. Bye-bye.